Hello, all of you. This is Ananya Sarkar, ML Dev and Outreach Facilitator of DSC IIIT Kalyani. We are really excited to invite all of you to check out the projects that the students have made in the duration of 2 months of Winter of Code, which is aimed at the fostering open source.
We are the users. Then if we click on the home button, then we can go to the, on the home page. But if we are not a user, so we will register now to ourselves. Let's register ourselves. So we can see that we have been already registered here. So let's go to the marketplace. I can add new product in the button here. We can see that the set of products have been already registered here. So let's add new product here. Serious. No. If we click on add button, then our product will get added here. So we can see that our product has been already added to the marketplace. Now I want to comment on it. So I will comment it. So we can see that comment has been posted here. Now I want to sign out from this account. So first we will go to one and then sign out from this. Let's again go to the marketplace and let's again try to add the new product. Let's again try to add a new product. So we can see that uh, we have been redirected to the login page as we have signed out from the account. So we have been redirected to the login page. So again we can log in from here and now I will draw your attention towards the setting option. Here we can update the user's information. So let's take, I want to update my user first name and I click on update button. So you can see that my first name has been updated here. So again I will sign out from this account. I will I want to give some points regarding the development of this website. We have developed three schemas to store the data. One is for user, one is for product, and one is for comment, in which I have contributed in development of user schema. And this website has been deployed in the Hero 2 app. So thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we are going to discuss about the project structure X. It is a data structure and algorithm visualizer, and let's get started with the sorting algorithms. As you can see, we have multiple sorting algorithms, and we can also change the number of values from over here, as you can see. And yeah, we can also change the speed on which speed we have to run the sorting technique. So we will start with the Google sort. Whenever a comparison is done, it is in yellow, but whenever a swap has to be done, the bar's color changes to red, and whenever the element is at its perfect position, the element becomes green, as you can see over here. So now the array is sorted. So these are the various sorting techniques. You can take a look, and yeah, this page is responsive. So yeah, let's move on to the searching. These are the values represented over here. Two searching techniques. You can enter a number, let's say 49, and do a linear search. It goes in a linear fashion and searches for that number. And yeah, in this the array is not sorted, but whenever the element is found, it shows its index. And yeah, let's see for the binary search, and it shows the binary search whenever the left and right indexes are shown. The elements are shown with the yellow, middle element is shown with the red, and the comparison is done, it is at red, and whenever element is found, it shows green. And yeah, that's about the searching. Whenever we didn't find the element, so it shows the result over here. These are the two. It is also responsive. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video.
So here is my project. It is a Novit 20 project which will detect whether you have the COVID symptoms or not. So it is basically a PWA, which is a solution to the COVID-19, not solution, which will detect your symptom and tell you whether you are suffering from the COVID or not. So here are the three buttons. It will take you to the home, it will take you to the about page, and these pages will take you to the our service pages. So basically we provide you the service of predicting on the basis of your symptoms, detecting whether you have COVID or not on the basis of your chest x-ray image. We have one chatbot which is basically not working properly now. We will work on it in future. And current situation overview. So you can access our services. First is COVID-19 predictor. So it will predict on the basis of your symptom and tell you the probability, how much probability you have. The if I have selected all the symptom is, I don't have any symptoms, so I have selected no, I don't have any of these symptoms. So now I will submit it, and it will show me that yeah, your probability of infection is 4%. Thank you, means I don't have any COVID for now. So second is my COVID-19 detection using our chest x-ray. So basically for this you need the x-ray report of your chest. So here I will choose the file of choose file, means I am choosing the image of my x-ray. So I have some normal chest x-ray, I don't have mine, so I am selecting one and I am checking it, submitting it and predicting. It will take a few few seconds because it is basically, so it is normal. Now this will bring me to my home page again. So I have, so this is basically our chatbot, which is quite not effective because it's not working properly. You can see here it is not working. I am writing hello, it won't work properly. It will reply me same thing again and again. So we need to work on it. It is our future task. As I told you, it won't work so perfectly. Now it is the footer, so it is basically tell us about us, our services, explore. It will take you to the WHO page, COVID-19 worldwide. Technology which we have used is machine learning, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, deep learning also. I missed it. And here you can give your email ID and email address, and you will join us, and we will give you regular update on this. Thank you.
The whole idea of this e-commerce website was to make it look having with more animations. I was thinking of playing a background video in the sphere, but I could not add it. And then, then we will have a different section. Like when we click on these laptops here, we will open a page where all the laptops will be displayed according to their primary features. And then we will have a cart where you can add to cart. You can have discount coupons and many all things. So this was the prime idea, to make an e-commerce website with a lot of animation to look it more attractive.